Hey everyone. Okay, all the votes are in. Donuts is going to be for the premiere. Now I'm going to shoot for it for on Sunday because it is not going to be uploaded in time for tomorrow night, which is Wednesday. Uh, it is now rendering. It's going to take about 7 to 8 hours to render. And being that this is a long video, this is going to take maybe, because I'm going to be going into dead zones, maybe it's going to take another 12 hours to upload. So, and I'm not going to do it for Thursday night because that's Blind Views night. And hopefully I've got service to go to that this week because I missed it last week. But I did get to watch part of it while I was cooking. Well, put it this way, I got to listen to it while I was working. I did miss some parts, so I got to go back and see who the hell he was talking about. No, so, but I was laughing my ass off. I loved it. All right. Anyways, good job, Live Views. Anyways, so now let me explain about this donut video. I started doing all the editing on it, cutting off a little bit on the end. Left a couple bloopers in. Then that just first quarter of it, almost so. That said, I read this up. That part after the first quarter of it, edited, and it's whatever the hell can don't where I might repeat something, read, and I paused it. I to see raw. There's I did for sure. I wrote at the beginning of the video. Oh, and I don't do any on sunrises and sunset. Man, when you what with that y'all, I'm doing so. Uh, but it's going to be all things, other things getting away. And y'all because I'm going to be a got a few of you that I want. I'm going to ideas and hope I have the right. See, so I'm to be able to discuss it while the sun set. I'll discuss to see. Yeah, she will. With all that being said, I'm groceries, so there's going to be another grocery. I'm at 2:30 in the morning, but I always I'll be making a meal. So that will be coming up too. It makes that one as well, and just let it run the whole doing a fast forward. I'll see me moving really fast music. To certainly be in the video and very be included. and it's a lot of be a great premiere too. So that one I will definitely cut, except block out certain aspect to it. Whatever that's going to put. So I've got at least one after this one to the 20th. It's still not for sure. That's fine. Either way. All right, people, you all have an awesome. New to my channel, the premiere is going to be put for Sunday 4:30. Give me a call. One of y'all that's got my phone number at 3:45 Central. Sure, mommy is awake. Because don't it? All right, people, you have a click on